Hello, deep learning explorers. Building on our previous talk about the deep learning overview, here is what most tutorials never tell you about artificial neurons. They are not just mathematical nodes, but tiny decision-making engines that act like a committee of experts. By the end of this video, you will finally understand the inner logic of how a single unit filters noise to find meaning, which most explanations completely skip. Imagine a high-stakes office committee meeting. Each member in this room represents an input, like a single pixel from an image or a reading from a sensor. But not every member has the same level of influence on the final outcome. This is where weights come in. Some members have a loud, powerful voice, while others are barely heard. The neuron is the chairperson who must listen to everyone but decide if the group's collective opinion is strong enough to take action. In our artificial neuron, every incoming signal is multiplied by a value we call a weight. Think of this weight as a volume knob for that specific input. If a weight is high, that input is crucial for the final decision and its signal is boosted. If it is near zero, the neuron essentially ignores that member of the committee. We can visualize this as a set of sliders, where adjusting one changes the intensity of the signal flowing into the central hub, determining how much attention the chairperson pays to that specific source. Once all these weighted signals arrive at the hub, the chairperson performs a simple tally. This is the summation step. Every individual vote is added together into one single number. If the committee members with the most power are all voting, yes, the total score on our meter climbs rapidly. However, if the powerful members are silent, the total stays low, regardless of how many minor members are shouting. This single total represents the collective pressure on the neuron to fire a response. But a high score alone is not enough for a decision. Every committee has a quorum, a minimum threshold that must be reached before any action is taken. In machine learning, we call this threshold the bias. The bias sets the difficulty level for the neuron. A high threshold means the neuron is stubborn and needs a lot of evidence to fire, while a low threshold makes it eager and sensitive. It is the baseline requirement that the total tally must overcome to be considered significant. Crossing the threshold triggers the activation gate. This is the final decision. Do we pass this information forward or stay silent? Instead of a simple switch, we often use a smooth curve, like the sigmoid, to map the tally to a value between 0 and 1. This allows the neuron to express not just a hard yes or no, but a degree of confidence in its decision. It transforms the raw sum into a standardized signal that other neurons can easily understand. So, the process is a continuous cycle. Inputs come in, weights scale their importance, the hub sums them up, and the activation gate decides the final output. It is a sophisticated filter that turns raw, noisy numbers into a meaningful signal. When we change the weights and the bias, we are essentially retraining the committee to value different pieces of information, which is exactly how the neuron learns from its environment over time. Let us apply this logic to a daily decision. Suppose a neuron decides if you should go for a run. The inputs are, is it sunny? Am I feeling energetic? And is it the weekend? If you value sunshine highly, that weight is large. If the sum of these factors exceeds your personal threshold, the neuron fires a yes. This simple logic, repeated millions of times, is the foundation of every complex artificial intelligence we see in the world today. While one neuron is simple, the magic happens when we stack them together. Imagine hundreds of these committees working in parallel, where the output of one chairperson becomes the input for the next. This creates a powerful hierarchy of decision-making, allowing the system to recognize complex patterns like faces, human speech, or even the subtle nuances of written text. We are moving from a single decision to a collective intelligence. Understanding the artificial neuron is the first step to mastering deep learning. It is the fundamental atom of the modern world. If you found this intuition helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to join our journey as we explore how these atoms form the brains of artificial intelligence. Next time, we will look at how these neurons learn from their mistakes using the powerful process of backpropagation.